Alright, welcome back to another video on the channel. We are going to install a 12-volt outlet on the wheel horse. The reason I want to do that is because I can power any of my electric tools up. Not like a drill or anything like that. I'm talking about the tire pump, my phone charger, and anything like that that I need to run off a car outlet. If I need to use those kind of tools, I can just plug it up to the wheel horse and it'll easily be accessible via this hole. Alright, here we go. Oh no! I tried to fit it through here on the inside part and it would not fit. The metal hole is not big enough for this. So I can either make this hole bigger, which is what I would like to do, but I don't know if I should, or I can make another hole right here to fit it. Make sure there's nothing in the way. There's a rectifier right there. I can't drill there, so we're gonna have to think of a different place. Alright, so we have the hole drilled out. There's a big hole right there. Let's hope this fits. Oh, perfect. Absolutely perfect. That'll look so good right there. I'm glad I did it right here instead of right there because it would have been too hard to do it right there. I had to really put a lot of force to get that to cut through. That is some thick metal. Okay, so we have the power outlet connected. I have a zip tie right here to hold the wires out of the way of the steering so it won't get chewed up in those gears. Let's hope that it works. Alright, so I brought it back up to the house so I could blow all that metal shavings off of my vacuum. And so now we're up here. We're going to test this out on a 3DS XL because this is the only device I have that has a car charger with it. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Okay, that's kind of loose. It works though. I see a green light on. And we're going to plug in the 3DS. Alright, it's charging. The 3DS is charging. Now we got to try it out on a tire pump. Alright, so this air compressor takes a maximum of 15 amps. Alright, so that is a 10 amp fuse. So this could be a problem. Let's hope it can handle it. Alright. Oh, it's working. The wheel horse is powering the tire pump. So the 12-volt outlet installation was a success. Now I can finally use this tire pump anywhere I need to go. I guess that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you wish to follow the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video.